Hi once again. This should be a very quick video. It's just a follow-up on the previous one regarding the type of speakers to install and how to install. This Megabass speaker just wouldn't fit. Maybe if I milled some of the body away I could get it to fit, but wasn't prepared to do that on this occasion. So that was out. This, when I tested it, was a 4 ohm, which I suspected anyway because they're in parallel, the speakers. Again, I'm basing this on information I've seen and I've read regarding TTS decoders. This doesn't necessarily apply to Loxan decoders. Other than version 3.5, you can't use that with 3.5. It's got to be 100 ohm, the speaker. Or indeed the Zimo decoders, which I think will take 4 or 8 ohm speakers, so that would have been fine. But again, with the TTS, I couldn't install anything below 8 ohms. So as you can see, what I've done is I've soldered the speakers together in series. These are the 2 iPhone speakers, and they fit in just nicely. I temporarily put the top on just to make sure before I solder them in, and it fits. I could have got them in the roof if it wasn't for the adapter the previous chap used, so we could use an 8-pin decoder in a 21-pin socket. So yeah, that infringed on this when I put them in the roof, so I couldn't separate them. So I put them together like that, and I'm just about to test the sound, and I'm sure it'll be fine. So if you stay with me, I'll play it, the sounds and the loco running. I'll be back soon. Okay, I'm back. I put the top on, so I'm just about to test, get it in shot, just about to test the sound. I'll start with a primer. And then the engine will start. Couple of horns. I won't go through all the sounds. Let's start her off slowly. It runs very nicely at low speed. Turn the sound off now. Yeah, the 2 iPhone speakers together give excellent results, as long as you bear in mind the ohms. I think the difference between 15 ohms and 8 ohms when you solder them together in series is negligible. That wasn't easy for me to say. Yeah, so that's it. I hope that gives you a little insight into speakers and what you can and cannot do with them, and the output you can get from simple iPhone speakers. Bye for now.